Hello everyone. Is your car hesitating or shifting gears unpredictably? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0716, input, turbine speed sensor a circuit range performance, this means your transmission isn't receiving accurate input shaft speed data. In this video I'll explain what P0716 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0716? The P0716 trouble code is triggered when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects an abnormal signal from the input turbine speed sensor. This sensor is essential for smooth gear shifting. If it's faulty or giving incorrect data, the transmission won't shift properly and the car may even enter limp mode. Ignoring this issue can cause long-term transmission damage. Common symptoms of P0716. Check engine light on erratic or harsh shifting slipping transmission, speedometer, malfunctions. Poor acceleration vehicle stuck in limp mode. If you're noticing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0716, check these key transmission-related components. Input turbine speed sensor, TSS. Location, mounted on the transmission case, near the input shaft or torque converter. Function, monitors input shaft speed and sends data to the TCM. Output speed sensor, OSS location, usually near the transmission output shaft, opposite the TSS. Function, works with the TSS to determine gear ratios and ensure smooth shifting. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, either inside the transmission housing or near the engine bay. Function, regulates gear shifting based on speed sensor data. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location, under the hood near the firewall or battery. Function, processes sensor data and controls transmission operation. Transmission wiring, harness and connectors location, runs from the transmission to the PCM. Function, transmits speed sensor data to the PCM-TCM. Common causes of P0716, faulty input turbine speed sensor. If the sensor is malfunctioning or giving erratic readings, it must be replaced. Wiring issues, loose, corroded or frayed wires can disrupt the sensor's signal. Malfunctioning TCM or PCM. A failing control module may misinterpret sensor data. Dirty or low transmission fluid, old or contaminated fluid can lead to sensor failure. Internal transmission problems, worn-out gears or clutch issues may also trigger this code. How to fix P0716? Step 1. Inspect the input speed sensor. Look for physical damage, dirt buildup, or loose connections. Step 2. Test the sensor with a multimeter. If it's not reading correctly, replace it. Step 3. Check transmission fluid. If it's low, burnt, or dirty, replace it. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Fix any damaged or loose wires in the transmission harness. Step 5. Test the TCM and PCM. If everything else checks out, a faulty TCM or PCM may need reprogramming. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. After repairs, clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and check performance. Ignoring P0716 can cause severe transmission issues, rough shifting, or limp mode. Fix it early to avoid costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0686, ECM PCM Power Relay Circuit Low, P0687, ECM PCM Power Relay, Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.